Hey guys, this is Heather Sellers of PoshSellers.com coming to you to show you the June starter kit for Perfectly Posh. This kit is amazing, you guys. Okay, so let me show you what we've got. First thing that you're gonna get, you've got these awesome hot pink bags. They're totally gorgeous and they are filled with Posh. Let me show you what we've got. Okay, face, first thing here. BFF face wash. This was my gateway drug into my Posh addiction. It's great for all skin types. It has grapefruit and peppermint. It has these amazing scrubbies that get your skin so clean, wakes you up in the morning. It is my favorite face wash. You always get this in a Perfectly Posh kit. So that's the first thing. Also for your face, you're gonna get our very popular hot and gold face mask. It is beautiful. It makes you look like a golden egg when you put it on your face. Super popular, it has caffeine and peridot, and it does have real gold in it. So this could only be great for your face. We love this guy. All right, an exclusive product that only consultants get is our face mask. It's a beautiful pink and it's called The Ritual. Only new consultants are able to get this one. You cannot purchase this one. You have to get it by joining Posh. We love this one. It's a deep cleansing mask and it's great to use with all of our other products. You can't go wrong with The Ritual. Okay, so body, let's move on to body. We have two of our favorite chunk soaps here. Our chunk soaps are gigantic if you haven't noticed. Okay, so this is Spasm. It has eucalyptus and it's very cleansing. Love that one. I can't pick up a Posh product without smelling it. It's a problem. Okay, our other soap that you're gonna get in your kit this month is Feel Better Soon. This is our lavender chunk. Love that one, very popular. Skin Sticks is something that we love at Posh. It's a kind of an exclusive product. I have never seen any other companies offer Skin Sticks. So in this month's kit, you get my favorite, the Perk. It is peppermint essential oils. Love it for when I get migraines. I love to put this one on my temples and just under my nose to be able to smell that peppermint oil and Perk. The Healer, which I like to say everybody needs at least one healer in their house. It has orange and vanilla essential oils. It's great for everything. Boo-boos, dry skin, chapped skin, anything you can think of, sunburn. The Healer has a little bit of everything you need right here. The Purifier is another one of my favorites for summer. This one is tea tree oil, and my favorite thing for this one is bug bites and also bug repellent. I teach preschool during the day, and this one goes to the playground with me every day. I put it on me, I put it on my kids. I love that our Posh products are safe for kids. So this is a must-have for the summertime. Okay, what else do we have here? We got two hand creams in this month's kit. We have our very popular Social Butterfly. It's beautifully packaged. Can we just appreciate the packaging here? Hey, this is my buddy. Social Butterfly is blackberry. Do you want some? You know what? He really appreciates the fact that Posh is cruelty-free, and I can understand that. You know why, buddy? Because we don't test on animals. We love them. He loves this, apparently. Anyway, Social Butterfly, blackberry, and what is it? It's jasmine oak candied blackberry, which is very important because who wants regular blackberry? So this is a hand cream that's going to come in your kit. Also, our unscented hand cream, which I've sold a lot of these. I think people really like this one. It's unscented and it has some properties in it that are going to help your hands stay youthful. Nobody wants those old grandma hands, unless you're grandma, which is fine. All right, so also we've got a fizzy bath bomb in your kit this month. A new product that we had that came out this summer. This one is called Working Pearl. It's our liquid highlighter, and this is white. And you do highlighting on your face. I've seen so many people do fun stuff with this. I've seen people use this, dab it on as like a highlight on their eyeshadow. It's really fun, and this white color is gonna look good on anybody. And then last thing here in the normal kit is our You Apricot Me body polish. This one is a must-have for summer. I love to use our body polishes and scrub to exfoliate dry skin off before I shave in the mornings. It's fun. I like to put it on a poof. It can be just a scrub. So many options for these, and this bottle is so convenient. You don't have to go out of your way. You know, with the tubs, they're a little more inconvenient sometimes because you have to scoop, and they're better in the bath for me, but if you're on the go, this is better in the shower for a quick scrub down. So Love this scent, super popular. We have had other products in the You Apricot Me scent, and they're always very popular. So, one more thing you're gonna get here, your bag with your samples. We love to sample at Posh. So, when you start out with us, you're going to get 4 different products to sample out to your customers and friends. You're gonna get the Ain't the Youth, which is right over here. You already got a full size. You're gonna get 4 of those. You're gonna get 4 of our Sassy Yuma, which is our Satsuma scented hand cream. Awesome. Our Gel to Water Facial Moisturizer Gel Yes. You're gonna get our pineapple face mask samples, which pineapple is great for the summer. Everybody loves summer smells. You're gonna get catalogs to help you get started. You're gonna get other paperwork and information to tell you how to get started with your Perfectly Posh business. And it's just super exciting when you start with our company. You know, we really spoil our consultants. They give us so much free training, and we really couldn't ask for a better company to work for. So on top of all of this stuff you're gonna get in the regular kit for $99, this month's bonus is a big deal. This is a $51 value. This is our long-lasting, chemical-free lip stain called Vial. It's a tri-tin. You get 3 products in this little tin. Okay, so you get the primer, which you need to make your product stick. So you start out with your primer, and then we've got 2 colors this month. We've got Stop Blushing and Mocha Me. Stop Blushing, I call that my signature color. I have it on today. It's my favorite, wear it every day. Mocha Me is a little bit darker. I wear that, you know, maybe on a date night or something. But favorite, Stop Blushing. So this kit for $99 plus this awesome $51 value bonus. It will get all for June. If you're interested in any of these products, if this sounds like something that would be fun for you, you can just get all this stuff and keep it for yourself. It's totally fine. Or you can get all this stuff and you can start a business, and I can help you. So let me know if you're interested this month. I would love to have you join my team. We're doing awesome things, and my website is www.poshsellers.com. You can send me a message, questions, anything you need to know, and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.